Hi guys, and today we're going to cover a stretch that's really easy to do at home. It's called the doorway stretch. Now this is assuming that you have doors in the house, it's just not all open plan. So this stretch is great because not only does it hit the QL mainly, you can also use it to hit the hip flexors, the lats and the pec. So you simply find a doorway, stand in it with your shoulder against one side of the frame, reach up above your head with your elbow at 90 degrees and hold the frame. After that you move your feet in so that your inside leg is touching the frame, and then you lean your hip out. So almost try to touch the opposite side of the doorway with your hip. So you should feel a stretch all in your QL and in your lats as well. Sometimes if you're super tight, you'll feel it up into the tricep. From there, if you want a little bit more of a stretch and get it into a little bit of the hip flexor, what you can do is take your inside leg and step out past your outside leg. That allows you to lean and twist a little bit more. So it'll move it from the side sort of on around into the hip flexor area. With that as well, if you keep turning your upper body, so the shoulders will turn into the stretch as well, it should come around a little bit more into the shoulder girdle and the pec. So you can do this as a static stretch and hold it for about 30 seconds. But then after that, I would do 5-10 pulses, so go in and out of the stretch and then follow it with another 30-second hold. So give it a go, let me know what you think. It's a great little stretch. It's something you should probably do every morning, especially if you've got back problems.